Welcome back to In the Kitchen. Amazon has just released their early Black Friday 2021 sale deals, and there was no way we wanted our subscribers to miss out. In this video, we are bringing you the latest list of the best Black Friday deals on portable kitchen appliances. In case you're not yet a subscriber, you might want to press that subscribe button quick time, since we're bringing multiple daily updates all the way until 29th of November 2021 to keep you in touch with all the latest deals that are in stock on Amazon this Black Friday and the upcoming Cyber Monday. Before we get to the hot deals, we just wanted to remind you that for you to have access to these deals, you need to have an Amazon Prime membership. In case you haven't got one, you can actually sign up for a 30-day free trial using the link in the description down below. The first product we have for you is the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender. The discounted price today is $30.59, down from $35.99, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. The Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender will make quick work of your food blending needs, from pureeing pumpkin soup to making salsa. Now that it's 15% off, there's no better time to get one for your home kitchen. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: it comes with an 800-watt motor, which is much more powerful than most traditional hand blenders. It makes any recipe or smoothie with no hiccups and easy cleanups. Simply rinse the detachable accessories with a cleaning brush under warm tap water, or put the detachable attachment inside the top right dishwasher. Designed with a variable 12-speed and turbo buttons, the electric mixer offers you the convenience to choose different speeds for different purposes. The stainless steel blade is adopted with advanced production technology, certified by experts and chefs to ensure easily blending even with tough, hard foods. The limitations of the product you want to keep in mind are: the included attachments are just twisted into place, so be extra careful when attaching and detaching them from the blender. You cannot disassemble the Immersion blender attachment from cleaning. If the Keylitos Immersion Hand Blender has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. The next product we have for you is the Chefman Belgian Waffle Maker. The discounted price today is $28, down from $34.99, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. The Chefman Belgian Waffle Maker is an easy-to-use waffle station that's both mess-free and stress-free. If you've been itching to get a dedicated waffle maker for a while, then be sure to get this one before stocks run out. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: it's designed with a wraparound channel to catch any excess batter. This unique feature prevents any batter from overflowing or leaking. It lets you choose from 7 different shade settings to cook your waffles exactly how you like them. The higher the setting, the darker and crispier it will be. It has an extra strong non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Simply wipe down the exterior and interior plates with a damp cloth, and they can be stored in a vertical position for easy space-saving storage. The limitation of the product you want to keep in mind is: although it has the name Belgian Waffle Maker, it makes waffles that are slightly thicker than a traditional Belgian waffle. That being said, it makes such great waffles, which isn't such a bad trade-off if you ask us. If the Chefman Belgian Waffle Maker has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. The next product we have for you is the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. The discounted price today is $99.95, down from $129.95, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. You're sure to love the splatter-free frying experience that the Instant Vortex Plus provides. Now with $30 off, we don't see any reason why you shouldn't add it to your cart right now. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: the 6-in-1 functionality of this air fryer not only lets you air fry but also roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The clear cook window and internal light let you easily monitor your cooking progress without opening the basket. With Instant Vortex's Even Crisp technology, you can enjoy all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying while using 95% less oil. There are 6 customizable cooking programs for easy chicken wings, roasted veggies, cinnamon buns, and more. The limitations of the product you want to keep in mind are: the handle is quite flimsy, so be sure to be careful when handling it. Changing the time and temperature settings is not that intuitive, so you'll have to get used to the user interface over time. If the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. The next product we have for you is the ECX Smoothie Blender. The discounted price today is $35.69, down from $41.99, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. This personal travel cup and blender unit from ECX delivers convenient and easy smoothies for people on the go. If you've been holding off on getting a product like this until you find a great deal for it, then buddy, the search is over. The reasons you'll want to consider buying this are: its retro and minimalist design makes it great for home, office, and travel use. The simple one-touch operation is easy to understand and use. Just pull the handle down to start blending immediately. The blender's 6 blades use 304 stainless steel, capable of running at 13,500 revolutions per minute. With this much power in a small package, it can handle hard ingredients like frozen fruit and vegetables, as well as small ice cubes to make delicious smoothies. All parts are BPA-free, and the portable cup is made of Triton material to ensure healthy and safe drinking. The limitation of the product you want to keep in mind is you would need to refrain from blending drinks with large ice cubes for too long since this might damage the unit. If the ECX Smoothie Blender has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. The next product we have for you is the BAYKA French Press Coffee Maker. The discounted price today is $18.69, down from $24.99, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. At 25% off, the BAYKA Coffee Maker is an absolute steal for any coffee lover out there. That is also why we strongly recommend getting one right now while stocks are available. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: the carafe is made of heat-resistant borosilicate glass, which keeps the water hot during the brewing process. The thickened glass bottom tremendously extends the product service life, while the handle is secured with a stainless steel frame to keep the beaker from falling out. A sophisticated stainless steel filter ensures that no coffee grounds are getting in your coffee anymore. It's easy to use that it takes only 4 steps to make a great cup of coffee, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced coffee drinkers. The limitations of the product you want to keep in mind are: the small seal around the top of the French press can easily become loose. It is not dishwasher safe. If the BAYKA Coffee Maker has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. The next product we have for you is the Deluxe Slow Masticating Juicer. The discounted price today is $79.99, down from $99.99, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. This masticating juicer from Deluxe promises smooth operation and easy cleanup. Suffice to say, the team believes it delivers on all those promises and more, so be sure to add one to your cart now that it's $20 off for Black Friday. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: it perfectly separates the pumice from the juice and extracts the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables efficiently, so you can enjoy the pleasure of less pulp without compromising any health benefits. Its compact size is a convenient space-saving alternative to using other centrifugal juicers. The frozen attachment included with this juicer allows you to make homemade sorbet and other frozen treats. It has a safety feature that won't let the juice start until the top is placed on correctly. The limitation of the product you want to keep in mind is the pulp spout gets clogged relatively easily, and it's not as easy to clean as we would like. If the Deluxe Slow Masticating Juicer has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. And finally, the last product we have for you is the POWWA Stand Mixer. The discounted price today is $89.98, down from $129.98, and at the time of making this video, it's currently in stock. For a whopping $40 off the original price, the POWWA Stand Mixer gives you the best bang for buck purchase out of this Black Friday list. The reasons you want to consider buying this are: it has a high-end manual motor with 660-watt power consumption, providing strong power to meet most of your requirements for a kitchen mixer. It features 6-speed settings from low to high continuous mixing and 1 pulse mode, ensuring that mixing is effortless and thorough for a variety of food. The tilt-head design mixer allows easy access to install or uninstall the bowl and accessories. The limitation of the product you want to keep in mind is the stand may vibrate and wiggle when you're using it, so be sure to secure the stand mixer at a safe place when in use. If the POWWA Stand Mixer has made your buy list, there is a direct link to it in the description down below. And there you have it, folks, the Black Friday 2021 deals which the team had to share with you. We'd love to hear from you about what else you're looking for in the sales on Amazon, and we'll do our best to incorporate it in our next daily update. Remember to subscribe so that you stay in the loop and don't risk missing a deal. Right, back to the research. We'll see you in the next video.